In Modo 14.0v1, we've added support for procedural vertex maps for weight, UV seam, RGB and RGBA maps. To create a procedural vertex map, add a Create Vertex Map mesh operation to your procedural stack. Choose the map type you want to create from the list of available options, and then give your map a name. You'll be able to check it's been created in the Vertex Maps tab. To add data to your vertex map, add the relevant operator for your chosen map type. In this example, I want to create procedural weighting, so I'm going to add a setWeight operator to my procedural stack. As standard, the setWeight operator can be fed a selection operator to isolate the operation. I'm going to set my selection type to polygon, and then add a select by selection set operator to recall a selection set I've made previously. Now, with my created weight map enabled and the 3D viewport set to display vertex maps, I can see the weighting applied to my model based on my selection set.